Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Dollar Tree haul. I have been literally stalking my Dollar Tree for these items that I'm going to show you first. So I'm not going to keep you waiting any longer. I'm just going to dive right in. I am obsessed with these cute little pumpkins that I've seen in quite a few people's videos. I can't remember everybody who I've seen haul these, but I know my girl Miranda Kristen hauled these just a couple days ago. I'm going to link her video below in case you're interested in checking it out. But these remind me so much of the ones from the Target dollar spot last year that were also just $1, but it'll be really nice to have different sizes and shapes and mix and match them. And I did get quite a few of these because I've had an idea in my mind for quite a while about what I want to do on my dining table for the fall time, and it includes green and cream pumpkins. So I'll get close in so you can see what these look like individually. The first one is this orange one, and these are about the size of the typical pumpkins that we find at Dollar Tree year after year. They are a matted finish though, with the sort of matte, sort of shiny gold stem, which makes it very modern and cool compared to what Dollar Tree normally does. So this is the orange one, and these are a Greenbrier product. I feel like Greenbrier and Target have to make their items in the same warehouse. Like, these are identical to the ones from Target. Anyways, I only picked up one orange one just because I do pops of orange. I don't do a lot of orange, but I do a lot of the other two colors. This color right here is kind of like a sage green, and I used a lot of this in my decor last year. It is kind of like a lopsided pumpkin. I call these heirloom pumpkins or Cinderella pumpkins. I don't know if those are two different kinds of pumpkins, but it's a squatted pumpkin. And in relation to the orange, it looks like this. You can see it's so cute. It's very farmhouse, you guys. Very, very cute. And then the last one is my favorite. It is this kind of whitish cream pumpkin, and in relation to the other two, it's a little bit taller and a little bit slimmer. As I'm holding these up in front of the camera, I noticed that this one is missing a little bit of paint, but of course I can fix that myself or just turn it the other way. So as you can see, I did get 3 of the cream, 3 of the green, and just 1 of the orange to use as an accent somewhere in my house. The next thing that I picked up is this super cute little white pumpkin. Again, with the white pumpkins, Dollar Tree is really catching on. They've had white pumpkins in the past, and actually they had this one in a more squatted version last year. And there are quite a few other kinds of pumpkins. I am going to insert footage at the end of all the little fall ceramics that I saw. I saw this in orange, I saw it in brown, and I also saw it in like a brighter green, which I would have gotten the green if it was slightly more toned down, but you can always paint these, you guys. So I did pick up 2 of these, and you do have to be careful because some of them did have their stems broken off or the leaves were bent or whatever. So just always inspect your little items from Dollar Tree before you take them home with you, because there is a good chance that they have a little bit of damage, as we have already seen with my little green pumpkin. But just to show you up close, it's kind of looks like it's roughed up or sanded down in certain spots. It kind of looks like just very like primitive, like this was carved by hand in wood or something, and the leaf is tin, and I love that they have the little curly cues. So yeah, I'm obsessed. And then the last pumpkin that I got is this orangey copper pumpkin that is very shiny metallic. They have had these for the past 2 years, and I'm not sure if this year's a little bit different or not. It looks like there's a little bit of like a leaf embossed in, or not embossed, but a little bit of a leaf kind of put on there. I don't know if the ones from years past have had that. I do have some of these already. So if you haven't seen these already, which I'm sure you have, they also come in a bronze, like brown metallic, and then a gold, and you will see that at the end of the video. These next items are for a bachelorette party that I have in Chicago in a couple weeks. I just picked up some of the pink chevron paper straws. I always set these out at parties just because it's kind of like decor, but people do use them, and I use these as stirrers actually every day in my coffee. So I love that I can get them from Dollar Tree, and you do get 24. They come in like a bunch of other colors too. And then I also got the 2 sets of the 24 plastic clear shot glass cups. These are always useful when you are having parties or, you know, doing a bachelorette party or something like that. And just a few boring health and beauty items. I picked up one of these travel Colgate brushes. It does swing down and close on itself to be travel friendly. I'm taking that to the bachelorette party. I am driving there. I'm only like 4 hours from Chicago, so I took a full size, this isn't quite a full size actually, but a large tube of toothpaste because someone always seems to forget, and there are 11 girls going, so I figured better bring a large size instead of a travel size. I also picked up this to take with me. I'm sure there will be plenty of people needing Q-tips and cotton balls and things like that, although there are only 10 cotton balls in there, but this is just really practical to sit out on a counter and have people grab from, so I got this. And then I also grabbed this Wet n Wild liner brush. I use this to do my eyebrows, and I probably replace it like every 3 or 4 months. After you wash them a handful of times, they get a little bit, it doesn't get as sharp anymore, but it is a really nice brush, and I have had higher end brushes that I don't like as much for my brows, so it's easy and cheap to replace, and that is why I got another one. Plus it's cruelty free and vegan. Another boring kind of item, just some sponges. These are the Brillo ones that have the kind of scratch side and then the foam side, although these are more like the foam sponge and I prefer the sponge, but they didn't have those, so I just got 2 of these. And I actually am starting to really like the walnut scrubbers from Mrs. Meyer's, but I do need to order some because I am out. I should have shown this item with the health and beauty items that I'm taking to the bachelorette party. An extra girl has decided to come to the party, and if you remember me saying I'm making little bachelorette party survival kits, which turned out really cute. So if you want to see a video on how I made those, let me know. I'd be happy to do that. But I got everybody these little sets of hair ties in their hair color because they come in like blonde, brown, and black. And yeah, the girl who decided to come last minute is a blonde, so I got this for her. Another couple bachelorette or party kind of items. I got this giant gift bag. It just says little baby phrases on it. Cutie patootie, sweet little one, cutie pie, hello, yay baby, yay a baby, and things like that. And I do have a baby shower to go to this coming weekend, so this was the only thing that will fit the gift that I got her. I got her like I think it's like a diaper hamper. I don't even know. I just ordered right off the registry. Didn't look, just picked something in my budget. And then I picked up this bag. I think it's super cute. It has the glitter polka dots with the white background, and I don't know, I thought this would be cute for the bachelorette party gifts that we are giving to our girlfriend. Just needed something small, and since we're traveling, I just figured I would do something easy like a bag and get it all wrapped and put together at our Airbnb that we're staying at. So that is my haul. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you also enjoyed the footage at the end of this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. Please make sure to hit the bell notification if you haven't yet. Even if you're subscribed to me, I've noticed that my views have significantly dropped, and I'm assuming that that's because maybe you guys aren't getting my notification, or if you have suggestions for other kind of content that you prefer to see, if you're not enjoying the content I've been putting out lately, leave that in a comment below so I know what to do to keep everybody happy. And I'll see you guys back in my next one. Bye guys. I also found these Job brand planner stickers, and they have like all these different seasonal things on them, so you can use them year round. You can see there's Christmas and Halloween, stuff for birthdays and summer, barbecues, and oh goodness, it's double-sided, and it has pretty much all the holidays right there. Oh my gosh, the back is all the holidays. Not sure if you guys have seen this yet or not. So they have the Beverly Hills Polo Club socks, which is the knockoff of Ralph Lauren, but still not a Dollar Tree brand, more expensive than $1.